Hello, welcome in. What's your name?
Stefan,
Stefan, how old are you?
34.
And what do you do?
I practice law. I work at a law firm.
All right, nice. What do you like to do for fun?
I like to go to the gym. I like to read. I'm also a DJ part-time, so I'm very into music.
Okay.
So
All right. And now, what are some things you look for in a woman?
right now in my life, I'm looking for a relationship, someone to build something with. Qualities I look for: humbleness, self-awareness, confidence, kindness, generosity.
Okay.
Someone who's reasonable. Yeah.
All right. Now, what are some deal breakers?
Depending on the situation, children,
Okay.
bad breath, poor hygiene, selfishness.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. I think that's what I'm thinking about right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that was a good list. All right. So we did get a pop balloon. Let's go on over there, see why she ended up popping. Your name and age.
Hi, Stefan. I'm Simone. I'm 32.
And Simone, why'd you end up popping your balloon?
I love what you do. I love the touch of the gold watch. The shoes are sending me, though. I don't get the thought process behind it, and I tried to look past it, but I couldn't.
Okay, I respect it.
All right. So now, Stefan, is she someone that's your type?
She's not my type. She's attractive, but I think it was a good pop. Yeah,
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
no problem.
All right. We got another pop down there. Let's head on over. Okay. Your name and age.
My name is Vanessa, and I'm 35.
All right. Vanessa, why did you end up popping your balloon?
I was just kind of waiting for a moment to be a little more convinced. I have a lot of respect for your profession. Being in the airline industry, I think I definitely hear a lot about pilots, lawyers, and other professions being a little more difficult to deal with. I don't judge people on that right away, but I was just kind of wanting something to pull me in, and I just hadn't been pulled in yet. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Interesting.
But you seem really, really friendly. Yeah. You do. You really do. You seem like you're probably
Thank
a
you.
good person to hang around.
All right.
All right. Now, is Vanessa someone that's your type?
She seems very friendly as well. Maybe not my prototype, but she looks nice. She's attractive.
Thanks. What's a prototype? Okay. All right. I got you.
Okay.
After I said it out loud, I was like, oh, I know what that word means.
Okay. Thank you. And let's go on over to our next pop balloon. Your name and age.
Hi, my name is Shahida, and I'm 33.
All right. Shahida, why'd you end up popping your balloon?
What made me pop my balloon was the styling of the outfit, the look, and also I really didn't feel like we connected. Well, I didn't really get an initial connection when I seen him walk out.
Okay. So what is it about the style? I know you're into fashion a lot. So what is it about his? You're not feeling?
I feel like it is the shoes, but I feel like you can, but it's not even like the shoes are bad with the denim. I think maybe a different top, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. But I feel like you have like probably like a very niche, laid back kind of like certain kind of style. I I just kind of lost the train of thought. But yeah, but that's really what it was for me.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Now, is she someone that's your type?
She's attractive as well. I'm also not necessarily feeling her, the way she put it together,
Okay.
especially the top. The green is not connecting with the bottom part. I'm not really feeling it, but she seems cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, the green is not connecting to the bottom part. It was really funny.
Good.
But okay.
Okay.
No, I could take that. We go for jab for jab.
You know, tit for tat.
Yeah, tit for tat. I like that though. I like that about your personality though. It's like slightly shady, but like respectful. It's like I'm gonna come for you, but not too much. You don't do too
Not
much.
too much.
Not too much. I like that.
All right, thank you. Okay, let's head on back. So we do have 5 ladies left. Go ahead and ask them a question to help you narrow it down.
Okay. What's your age and what do you do?
Okay. Okay. Name and age, and what do you do?
Kayla, 31, and I'm in the banking industry.
Okay.
Name and age, and what do you do?
Hi, I'm Jessie. I am 28 years old and I'm a medical student currently.
Name and age, and what do you do?
Hi, my name's Jessica. Hi, my name's... Damn, my voice messed... I'm sorry. Hi, my name's Jessica. I'm a realtor and I'm also a nurse.
What's your age?
Oh, I'm 28.
20?
28.
28. Oh.
Yeah. How old are you?
34.
Okay.
Name and age, and what do you do?
I'm Gabrielle. I'm 34, and I'm a marriage and family therapist and an author.
And our last lady here, name and age, and what do you do?
I'm Crystal. I'm 30, and I'm a flight attendant.
Okay.
All right, so I am going to now have you pop a balloon, so let me give you a pick. Hold on to that. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and pop one balloon. Don't go too far. Come in a little. All right. So, Kayla, why did you have your balloon unpopped?
I liked his profession. He likes to read. I was interested in that as well.
Now, is he someone physically your type?
Physically, yes.
So, why'd you end up popping her balloon?
She's an attractive woman, and I think I just didn't get a strong connection when she was speaking before. She seems a little soft spoken, which is good. It's fine, but I had to make a quick decision. So yeah.
Okay.
Thank
you.
Let's head on back. So we do have 4 ladies left. Go ahead and ask them another question that gets them talking.
If I had your best friend here, what would she warn me about you before dating you?
Ooh, okay. What would your best friend warn him about you?
Well, my best friend's actually here. She'd probably tell you that I have issues with time management, but we're working on it. We're working through it. But I would say that's probably like my biggest red flag.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll be on island time. I'm from Guam.
Can you expound on that?
On which part?
Time management?
I just think I'm time blind, and I think I have more time than I actually do. And then, I end up running late. So, you need to be efficient with your time as an adult. So, again, we're working through it.
Nice. Cute. Let's go on over here. All right. What would your best friend warn him about you?
I'm clingy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm clingy. I'm a lover girl. I want to be in your skin. You hear me? Like, I'm really clingy. I ain't gonna lie.
All right.
All right.
Let's go on over here. What would your best friend warn him about you?
She would probably say I tend to overthink a little bit. Yeah. And then also, like, I tend to be a prankster, and so sometimes I play too much.
Okay. Let's go on over here. What would your best friend warn him about you?
My best friend would definitely say that I'm a hopeless romantic, but also very impulsive. I would say it's a part of my career. Being a flight attendant, always being on the go, I just kind of make decisions, and she would definitely say I'm impulsive. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's head on back. It is time to pop a balloon. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and pop one. All right. So, why did you have your balloon unpopped for him?
I just wanted to hear more. I really like your career, and you're well-spoken, and I was just interested to learn more.
Okay. Alrighty. So, why'd you end up popping her balloon?
Mostly because of her last, what she said about overthinking. Mm-hmm. It can be good and bad, but a lot of times it can be bad. It can make you make little situations into big situations. And I've been involved with women before that have been chronic overthinkers, and it wasn't always good. So that's why I popped. But otherwise, yeah, everything's fine.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you. All right, we've got 3 ladies left. Go ahead and ask them another question.
Okay. How do you guys feel about children?
Children. Okay, let's start down there and come back up. All right. How do you feel about children?
I feel ever since I was a little girl, I knew I was supposed to be a mom. I want children one day, so I'm open to children.
How many kids you want?
It used to be 2. Now 1 is okay.
How old are you again?
I'm 30.
Okay. You have how many kids you have?
I have no kids.
Got it.
All right. Over here. How do you feel about children?
I love children.
Okay. Do you know how
Do you
many-
like having children?
Do I like having children?
Do you want to have children?
Do I want to have? I want a son. That's it. I just want one son. I have 8 brothers. I'm the only girl, so I feel like I'm gonna have a boy. Like men running our family. So yeah.
Probably.
All right. And over here, how do you feel about children?
So I'm definitely open to children. I probably want 2, 3 at the most, a boy and a girl. I'm also open to 2 boys as well too.
Yeah, I like 2 to 3. That's good.
Okay.
Cool. And do you have any kids?
No.
No kids.
No
Okay. All right. She said great. All right. So it is time to pop another balloon. Go ahead and pop one whenever you're ready. All right. So Jessica, why did you have your balloon unpopped?
Cause he look cute, and I like his career. He look cute, and he got strong arms.
All right. So why'd you end up popping Jessica's?
Jessica seems real cool. She's attractive. She seemed like her answers weren't too sure. I don't know.
Okay, I am divorced. He had 2 girls. Okay, I didn't have any children, so I'm good with kids. You know what I'm saying? I'm just nervous a little bit.
Got it. Yeah. Everybody's nervous.
My bad. I get it though. You cute.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
All right. So we've got 2 ladies left. Ladies, any questions for him? You ready here?
Okay. So what does being in a relationship with you look like? If you could describe it.
Being in a relationship with me looks like texting every day, every morning, FaceTiming, hanging out after work, buying you things, traveling. I like girls that are affectionate as well. Not clingy, but affectionate enough.
Gotcha.
Like it's a very fine balance.
Okay.
You have to find.
You're busy. Yeah, we're all busy.
I am busy, but I make time for people that I want to make time for. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where do you live?
I live in Brooklyn, New York.
Sorry, no long distance.
No
And
problem.
where do you live?
Here.
All right. Let's head down over there. Okay. Any questions over here?
I do. How would you describe love to someone who's never experienced it before?
It's a tough one. It's a good one.
To be honest, I don't know if I've been in love. And I don't know if I'm the right person to answer that question. I've loved people, but it's been a while since I felt like I'm in love. So I don't know how to answer that. How about you?
I would say it's effortless. It is, you don't think about it, you just do it. Sometimes you put yourself behind the other person. Yeah.
Effortless.
You don't think about it, you just do it. It just comes naturally. You love that person, you do anything for them.
Okay.
All right. So do you guys...
Is that love or loyalty?
That's love.
When's the last time you've been in love?
2 years ago.
What happened? You don't have to answer, but just going with the conversation.
He's a great guy, love him to death. We just weren't the right people for each other. We wanted different things in life.
Okay.
All right. So now, is she someone that's your type?
Yeah. I'll be honest, I'm not normally a tattoo guy, but
Okay.
and she's definitely attractive. I like her height. I like her answers so far, and she's very attractive. So yeah, she's my type.
Okay. All right, let me bring you on up here with us. Come on up here. Let's all head back. All right. Do you guys have any final questions for one another before we determine if we have a match?
I do. How do you manage stress and conflict in a relationship?
Through conversation,
Okay.
honesty. I try not to let things linger.
Okay. Are you a logical person or emotional,
Both.
thinking wise? Okay.
Both. I think I have a very good balance. I'm a very balanced person in general. I think I'm very good about reading emotions.
Okay.
And I try not to be overly logical, but I think logic is important. So my answer is both.
Okay.
I probably lean more towards logic if you would ask people that know me, but
Okay.
I do have a very good emotional read on things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any over here for her?
Where are you from?
Dallas.
What's the face about?
I was hoping you were a little closer to the East Coast, because to be real, I thought the women here would be coming from around the country, but I think that's a little too far for me.
Okay.
And maybe if we had a stronger connection, I would make an exception.
Okay.
But I feel like that is a little far. I don't think it's realistic.
Okay.
But if you were closer, I'd definitely be more willing to put it to the test.
I love that.
Yeah.
Love that.
All right. Go ahead and pop then. All right. I'll have you head back. All right. Well, Stefan, that is all the balloons popped, unfortunately. But thank you so much for coming on. Give it up for him, ladies. I'll take the mic. Thank you. Have a good one. All right. Let's bring out our next single guy. Hello. Welcome in. What's your name?
ISO,
ISO. How old are you?
33.
And what do you do?
So I'm an actor, I'm a comedian, and I work in aviation doing aircraft safety checks.
Okay, very cool. What are some things you like to do for fun?
For fun, I like to watch Shrek. That's my favorite things to do. I like to spend time with my family, my niece and nephew. I only got one nephew.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll be teaching them basketball and wrestling. And for the most part, I don't know, I just like learning about life. That's my thing.
Nice. All right. So what are some things you look for in a woman?
What I look for is a woman who would love me the way my mother loves my father. You know what I mean? The way Michelle Obama loved Barack Obama, right? The way Fiona loved Shrek. That's what I'm looking for.
All right. Now, what are some of your deal breakers?
Shoot. I guess a woman who don't have a sense of humor, I guess. Like, I like to laugh. I like to make people laugh. I like a woman who, like, thinks about other people. You know, you understand?
Yeah,
that's what I like.
Okay.
Sweet.
All right. So we did get a pop balloon. Let's go on over there, see why she ended up popping. Your name and age.
Hi, I'm Simone. I'm 32.
Nice to meet you.
And Simone, why did you end up popping your balloon?
Ultimately, it was the energy. It felt really lackluster. I don't really want to be here right now. No Squidward, you know. That's what it gave for me.
Oh, that's funny.
Hilarious.
She said Squidward. That's hilarious. That's what's up.
Okay. So now is Simone someone that's your type?
Yeah, I like her joint. She like a sunflower. Like, I like the joint on her real quick. She cool. You said how old you are?
32.
32. That's what's up. What you do?
I popped.
That's what's up.
So it's irrelevant.
All right. Thank you so much. Let's go over here. Your name and age.
Yes, I'm Vanessa. I'm 35.
Okay. And
Beautiful.
Vanessa, why did you end up popping your balloon?
He had mentioned like sense of humor, and he had said, "Oh, that's funny," and I didn't know what was funny. So I thought maybe we didn't match there. He seems like a fun person, but I thought maybe like it just something on the. I don't know. It's not happening for me.
Is Vanessa someone that's your type?
Absolutely. She look like Moesha. I like her.
Oh my God! Thank you. That was such a huge compliment.
Yeah, she should. You be happy.
Thanks.
Go, Mo.
All right. Thank you. All right. So we've got 3 ladies left. Go ahead and ask them a question to help you narrow it down.
Okay, cool. So first of all, y'all look beautiful. I'll start by saying that. So let me ask, where are you all like as far as where do you feel like you are right now as far as what do you want in life right now?
You're looking at me.
I'm looking at everybody, Mama. You just right here.
Yeah, come on over here. All right, name and age and answer to this question.
My name is Jessica. I'm 28. Can you repeat your question?
Absolutely. I'm asking. Well, excuse me. I asked all of them, all of you all. What are you looking for out of life, like right now?
Right now,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm looking for another husband.
You said another one?
No, I'm divorced.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
divorced.
okay.
But yeah.
Whew. All right, cool.
Okay, you good?
Okay, yeah, let's go. I like it. I like it.
All right, name and age and answer to this question.
My name is Shahida. I'm 33. And the things that I'm looking for right now is just like a form of stability in whatever relationship that I do get in, and clarity and understanding of what direction we're going. So that is like something I'm looking for.
So if I'm making sure I hear you correctly, you said direction. That's what you want.
Like
direction.
where we're going, like where things are going. Like
Okay, yeah, that's
obviously when
what-
you
I'm
meet
not trying
somebody,
to
you
be
get to
funny.
know them. You want to know what the next steps are and what their intentions are.
For sure. Okay. Cool.
Name and age and answer to this question.
I'm Crystal. I'm 30. I would say settling down. I feel like at 30 I've like traveled and really lived my life. I think I'm ready for the next chapter of my life, which is like settling down, getting married, have kids.
Okay.
So
All right, thank you. Oh, all right. So why'd you end up popping your balloon?
I feel like it was a nonchalant energy. You do have a comedic aspect of you, of your personality, but it also just feels like a little too chill. Like it's too, I don't want to say it's too laid back. It's like, it's a little just like you're not really super interested, but maybe that's just your personality. And I feel like that doesn't vibe with me and how I am. So it just comes across like you're not really super enthusiastic too.
Okay.
I feel like I'm about to get roasted the way that he's looking too.
No. I don't
It's
be on that
the eyes
type of
too.
time.
It's like, well, I'm about to
be on
get
that
you,
type.
but that's what I get.
So you
That's
said
like-
nonchalant.
Yeah, you are super like nonchalant. It's like I feel like you're not really connecting with the group of ladies a little bit. Like that's what I'm getting. And that's just my opinion.
Straight up.
Okay. You have a response to that?
Nah, I rock with her pants. Them the joints I really like. That's why I was drawn to her. I don't know what she wanted me to be. I don't know what she like wanted me to dance. I gotta be like, you know what I mean? I gotta be able to be, equanimous. I gotta be balanced. So that's all it was. It wasn't nothing personal. So
Yeah.
it was cool.
Okay. I like your outfit though. It's
I
really-
like yours more. You feel me?
No, I think it's cool. I like the intent. You really put a lot of thought into the glasses and everything.
Appreciate you.
Cool. Thank you. And why'd you end up popping your balloon here?
I think he's really handsome. I think your questions are really well thought out. It's just like
I only asked one.
Your question, I think your energy is good. I'm an energy person. It's just not enough for me.
Okay.
So that's why I popped.
All right. She's someone that's your type?
Yeah, I like her glasses.
Thank you.
Them joints is nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, her hair laid flat. Yeah, she's straight. I like her.
You look really good.
I appreciate you, Mama.
Thank you. And then we did get another pop back
Oh
here.
yeah.
Why'd you end up
Another
popping?
husband. Why'd she do that for? That's crazy.
I mean, you cute.
I appreciate you.
You short. So you like my height, and I don't want to look you in your face like this. I want to look up to my man. You know. I'm sorry. I should have popped in the beginning, but you.
ain't
But
got
I was
nothing to
trying to
say
hear
now.
you. You cute. You cute. But now you're smiling. We never got a smile, baby.
All right, let's stop for a second.
Okay.
So you said I was short and I wasn't smiling.
Nope. You was like
Okay.
this.
Okay. And now, so how tall are you? Because you said he's short, but he's taller than you.
Yeah, but he's not like.
Oh my gosh, I'm not like above her. Like that's
You
not
just right here. Like I can.
How tall are you, though?
I'm 5'3".
5'3", and you are?
fun. Oh, that was funny.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I'm actually 5'4.5". But no, I'm effing around. I'm 5'9".
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the inches? Oh no, I didn't mean to say it like that. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay.
Well, thank
But you cute though.
I appreciate you.
All right, let's head on back. All right, well, ISO, that is all the balloons popped, unfortunately, but thank you
Rats.
so much for coming on. Let's give it up for him, ladies. I'll take the mic. Thank you.
I'm level 33.
Yes, we're 33
And
years old.
what do you do?
Okay, so I'm a tester, so I test things, particularly software testing,
All right.
for a tech company.
Cool. What do
And
you,
I live in Montana, originally from Florida.
what is in Montana?
Uh,
So random.
nature,
Okay.
being uncomfortable, it promotes growth.
Okay. So what do you like to do for fun?
I like to try different things. I like to explore. Ultimately, I enjoy technology and the arts. So that's what I'm really into.
Okay. And what do you look for in a woman?
And a woman who's willing to try consistently in all aspects of her life.
Okay. And what are some deal breakers?
Deal breakers is a woman that's not open to love.
Okay. Nice. So we did get a pop balloon. Let's go on over there, see why she ended up popping. Your name and age.
My name's Jessica. I'm 28.
Okay. And Jessica, why'd you end up popping your balloon?
I'm just not interested, and I do not like your hair. That's it. But you look good. You cute.
All right. Now is Jessica someone that's your type?
Initially, yeah, I would approach. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. We have 5 ladies left. Go ahead and ask them a question.
Okay. Ooh. What is your, how are you choosing to approach love in your next relationship?
That's a good question. All right. Name and age, and how are you choosing to approach love in your next relationship?
Hi, I'm Simone. I'm 32. I am choosing to put God first and letting Him lead the way and also guide my discernment.
Nice.
Name and age, and answer this question.
Hi, my name's Jessie. I'm 28. I would say something similar. Definitely having God first, but openly, because I don't want to bring any past experiences into this new experience. So I just kind of want to have an open mind and just see where it goes, and then practice discernment. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Name and age, and answer this question.
My name is Vanessa. I'm 35. Can we repeat the question?
Yes. How are you choosing to
Approach love in your next relationship.
Oh, sure. I think removing expectations, but keeping my requirements or my standards, right? So I don't want to imagine too far in the future and, be living in the future when I'm still dealing with the current and the present. And I definitely want to learn from the past and keep my standards and my requirements and what I need and what I can provide in a relationship. Right. So I don't want to carry the expectations and be disappointed. I want to enjoy the journey and appreciate the whole aspect of the relationship wherever it goes.
Cool. Thank you. And your name and age, and answer this question.
I'm Crystal. I'm 30. I would approach love being observant. I think love is beautiful, but I think being equally yoked is really important. So just being aware and cautious of red flags if we're not aligning, having awareness of that. So observance.
All right. And your name and age.
My name is Shahida, and I'm 33.
Okay. And Shahida, why'd you end up popping your balloon?
I feel like energetically, he was very vibrant, which I did like, but I didn't feel like a connection. So that's why I popped.
Okay. Interesting. And now, is she someone that's your type?
I said initially, I would approach, I love the colors that you have and what you're wearing. So yeah, I would approach and kind of see where things will go from there.
Okay.
Thank you. That's so nice. I like the colors in your outfit as well.
Appreciate
I like the
you.
coordination.
Hey, yeah,
It's good.
yeah.
And with the hair, it's like a nice vibe. But thank you.
Okay. Thank you. All right. So let's head on back. So I'm now going to hand you a pick. Hang on to that and go ahead and pop one balloon.
Pop one balloon.
Yes, sir.
One balloon. Okay.
All right. So Vanessa, why did you have your balloon unpopped?
Oh, he had like really good energy. It was just, gosh, you just kind of wanted to like hear what else he was going to say. And what do you do again?
Software testing.
Yeah, he seemed intelligent, and intelligence is like my top turn on. So I love a man that's smart, and you had a really good personality, and you seemed really confident and like you can own who you are. Like, I'm not sure where did you get that jacket? like I know there's a story behind it. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly.
You feel me? Yeah. So like that in itself is why I did not pop my balloon. I wasn't 100% sure, but yeah, I definitely wanted to find out more.
Got it. So why'd you end up popping her balloon?
Okay, yeah, just hearing what you had to say, I really appreciate the things that you do had to say. Just initially, when I'm just thinking about attraction with the other women, that's why I initially popped, but I really appreciate what you had to say.
Sounds good.
Cool. Thank you. All right. We've got 3 ladies left. Go ahead and ask. Oh, okay. Never mind. Let's come on over here first. Your name and age.
I'm Simone. I'm 32.
Okay. Simone, why did you end up popping your balloon?
I couldn't quite put my finger on it when you first came out because I can't pop because you're ugly, because you're extremely handsome. I can't pop because the drip, because I like your style, your how you show your personality through your style, you know. And you also come off as an extremely kind-spirited person. What I think it is, we wouldn't click. Like, I feel like we wouldn't have the same humor. We wouldn't be able to banter. Like, I got that from it.
Okay. Interesting. So you're smiling. What's going through your mind?
Yeah, so is this person my type? I would say yes initially. Okay. Just here in the comments, like I said before, my intentions out here is to come out and make a connection. And like I said before, a woman who's willing to try. So I guess the fact that you wasn't willing to try to see if I had banter or see where my mind's at, yeah, I think that's where I'm at right now.
Okay.
Understood. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. All right. So there's 2 ladies left. Go ahead and ask them another question.
Question number 2. Okay, this is a 2-part question. The first part is, what does power mean to you when it comes to being in a relationship? And are you open to long distance?
Okay. Let's start down there and come back. All right. You want to go ahead and answer his questions?
Yes. I think power in a relationship is solely based on respect, not abusing your power, but being heard. I am open to long distance. Like I said, I'm a flight attendant. I can be anywhere in the world, so I'm open to it.
Okay, and remind me of your name.
I'm Crystal.
Crystal, thank you, Crystal.
Okay. And over here.
So I think with power, there's definitely an aspect of responsibility that comes with it and consideration when you are in a relationship, because obviously the power dynamics are going to be inevitable, and you know, you want to respect your partner. So having a level of respect is really crucial. And initially with long distance, I wasn't really considering it, but I think you're really interesting. You have a very warm energy and you have charisma. And I love the fact that you live in Montana, because I love a man who's hands-on and is not afraid to like be in nature, because I love nature. So I'd consider it.
Nice. I respect it.
Okay. Ladies, any questions for him?
Question. So what would you consider is your biggest red flag, and how are you actively working to change it?
Okay, I would say one of my biggest red flags that I'm working on and I've worked on is being emotionally available. I think in the past, just growing up as a kid and moving around a lot, not staying in the same household, put me in a position to want to guard my emotions. So with that, my intentions now is just being vulnerable and making sure I put myself out there, but that's something that I continuously find ways to try to do.
Okay.
You're good?
I'm good, yeah.
Okay. Let's go on over here. So why'd you end up popping your balloon?
I popped my balloon. I love your answer. I do need a man that's emotionally available, because I feel like that's how the relationship thrives. I want us to be able to talk to each other about our emotions, what we're feeling. So that's why I popped. Yeah.
Okay. So with that, yeah, that's where I'm at exactly in my life. I don't think I would have came on the show if I wasn't, didn't have those intentions. So that's where I'm at. So I appreciate you. Yes, you are my type. Yeah, I like the things that you said, but yeah, popping off that, I would want you to listen a little bit more.
Okay. I hear that. I think you're very handsome. Your energy is contagious. You have great energy. You seem really fun. I feel like I'm 100% there with emotional intelligence, and it's not a flaw of mine. So.
Say less.
But nice to meet you.
Okay.
All right. So back on over here. So is she someone that's your type?
Yes, she is someone that is my type.
What about me do you like?
What?
She said, gas me up.
Okay. Well, I love the outfit and the flowers.
Thank
And
you.
it really flows well together, but I do appreciate your thoughtfulness in your answers. You talked about being open. I do like to explore, do different things, go out in nature, or just do activities in general.
You seem like a free spirit.
For sure.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. All right. Let me bring you on up here. Come on up here. I'll have you stand on this side of me. You stand here. All right. Okay. So any final questions? If you guys don't have any, it's okay as well.
When was your last relationship and why did it end?
Yes, my last relationship was a year ago, and it ended because I think ultimately communication. That's very broad in terms of me taking accountability. I think I could have done better communicating some things with my partner that down the road it didn't end well, but moving forward, that's what I'm being more mindful of.
Okay. Any questions for me?
Yes, my question for you, what do you think about yourself?
That's a loaded question. I mean, ultimately, I love myself. I'm very honest with myself, but my relationship to self is definitely really good and it's ever evolving. And, I hope as I continue to grow that I only fall more and more in love with myself and learn to just accept all of who I am, the good, the bad, and just, just fully accept myself for sure. But I love myself though. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
That's all I have.
All right. Well, my final question. Is it a yes for you for him?
Yeah.
All right. And is it a yes for you for her?
Yes.
We got a match. I'll take the mic. Give it up for them, ladies. And bring out our next single guy. Hello, welcome in. What's your name?
Sterling,
Sterling, how old are you?
36.
Okay, and what do you do?
I'm a finance manager.
Okay, and what do you like to do for fun?
I like to travel. I like to stay at home, cook with my significant other. I like to, just learn as grow as a new man.
Okay, all right. What do you look for in a woman?
Communication is very important to me. I like someone who's honest and like to have fun and who has a lot of ambition.
All right, now what are some deal breakers?
Cigarette smokers, someone who don't know how to communicate. Man, that's pretty much it.
Okay, all right, so we did get a pop balloon. Let's go on over there, see why they ended up popping. Your name and age.
My name's Jessica. I'm 28. Oh, why did I end up popping my balloon? You just make me nervous. You scare me like a lot, but it's all right. It's all right. You're handsome. You're just not my type.
Now, is she someone that's your type?
Yeah, she cool.
Okay.
She's smooth. I like her teeth.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, cool. Thank you.
It's a bunny. It's a bunny.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, show the people. They got to see. All right, thank you, Jessica. All right, let's head on back. So, all right, we got a pop. Come this way. Okay. All right, so your name and age.
Hi, I'm Jessie. I'm 28 years old.
Okay. Jesse, why'd you end up popping your balloon?
I think we'd make good friends, honestly. I think we could kiki a little bit, but I don't know if we would have a good vibe with dating. Okay. Yeah, just off first impression.
Okay. And what's the impression you're getting that would make you say that?
He's a little silly.
Okay. So is she someone that's your type?
Yeah, she cool.
Okay.
She's pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then we did get another pop over here. Name and age.
Sure, my name is Vanessa. I'm 35.
And why'd you end up popping your balloon?
Oh, as he continued speaking, I just wasn't convinced of confidence. Wasn't really just owning his personality. You seem kind of a little quirky. I love that you're in finance. That's definitely in line with my type of guy. I think I like the way, oops, I just broke my toothpick. But as far as men that are in finance, engineers are that type of brain. And so you seem to have that. But I thought maybe there was just a little bit of confidence that would seem to be lost. And I just wanted you to kind of own it a little more. Okay. Yeah.
Are you nervous?
I'm very nervous, but it's okay.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, I think everyone here is nervous.
We're all a little nervous, but
All right. Now, is she someone that's your type?
Yeah, she is. You know, like the skin tone, like her hairstyle. You know, she's very pretty.
thank you.
All right. Thank you. Your name and age, and why did you end up popping your balloon?
My name is Shahida, and I'm 33. I ended up popping because I could sense the nerves, and it kind of could seem like a confidence thing, but your energy seems very sincere, and you seem very sweet.
Is she someone that you would approach, someone that's your type?
Yeah, she's very cool. You know, I like her hair. You know, her eyes as well.
Thank you.
All right, let's go on over here. Name and age, and why did you end up popping your balloon?
I'm Crystal. I'm 30. I'm nervous, but you're making me nervous. You're stiff. Relax.
Yeah.
I get nervous sometimes, so I need my man to like, come on, pull it together. And you're making me nervous. So just like pull it together.
So you're saying like two nervous people is not it.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Alrighty.
that's it. On the room. You're a great guy.
Yeah.
On
thank
the
you.
room. Yeah. Don't be nervous. Relax.
All right. Now, is Crystal someone that's your type?
Yeah, she's pretty. You know, I like her height. You know, and her accessories as well. You know.
Thank you. You look really good too.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay, let's head on back. So we do have 2 balloons left unpopped. Go ahead and ask these ladies a question.
Any have any kids?
Nope, neither one of them have kids. Okay. What else? Something that gets them talking. Come on.
What is your love language?
Okay. What is your love language?
Okay, well,
Name and age first.
Hi, I'm Simone. I'm 32. The traditional one would be words of affirmation, but my own personal favorite is sending memes all day. No.
Okay, nice. And your name and age, and what is your love language?
Kayla, 31. Although I'd like them all, I have a top 2, quality time and acts of service.
Okay. And what's your love language?
Acts of affirmation.
I don't think that's one. Words of affirmation.
Words of affirmation. I'm sorry. Words of affirmation. Act of service and words of affirmation.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Ladies, any questions for him? Okay, let's start here.
Would you say you're more introverted or extroverted?
I'm more introverted.
You say you're in finance. Would this be something you'd wear to work? Are you in office?
Something similar to this, but not like with a tie and everything put on. So yes.
Okay. Did you fly in?
Yes.
Okay. Do you believe in God, as in
Yes.
Jesus Christ?
Jesus Christ, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Good. Okay. Any questions here?
I have one. What is your favorite type of compliment to receive?
Based off my character, you know, I like to be very reliable and very, you know, someone who's understanding and things like that.
Okay, I like that.
Okay. You're good?
I'm good.
All right. Ooh, okay. Why'd you end up popping your balloon?
So the goofiness, the shyness, that didn't bother me, I would say that I had a little grace with the outfit just because I know we all flew in, maybe you didn't have time to iron, whatever. But I was looking at the presentation. I feel like we could go shopping together, so that also wasn't a big deal. But as we were talking together, there was no real connection. So that was the ultimate reason. Extremely handsome, by the way.
Thank you.
All right. Now, she's someone that's your type?
Yes, I love the hair, you know, the
Thank
eyes
you.
and all. So yes.
Okay. All right. So, any final questions over here?
What do you think the most important quality is to maintain a long-lasting relationship?
Communication, ability to speak your mind and have someone understanding what you're thinking and, you know, ability to adjust.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm good.
Now, is she someone that's your type?
Yes.
Okay, let me bring you on up here. Come on up here. Okay, let me have you step onto that way, and I'll have you stand here. Do you all have any final questions before we determine if we have a match?
I think I'm good for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm good for now.
Oh, all right. Well, then, is it a yes for you for him?
It's a yes.
And is it a yes for you for her?
It's a yes.
We got a match! I'll take the mic. And you guys can go on up, make some noise for them, ladies. All right, let's bring out our next single guy.